Have you ever felt like your relationship is a puzzle with missing pieces? Today, we're diving into the mysteries of love and uncovering solutions you never knew existed. 1. The secret ingredient of long-lasting relationships. Ever wondered what keeps some couples deeply in love for decades? The secret ingredient to a lasting relationship is surprisingly simple: daily acts of kindness. It's the small things: a warm smile, a listening ear, or a cup of coffee made just the way you like it. These acts create a deep, enduring connection. Start today by doing one small, thoughtful thing for your partner. Notice their smile, feel the warmth it brings to your heart, and watch how this tiny seed grows into a resilient, beautiful bond. 2. Achieving your dream relationship. Dreaming of a relationship that feels like a cozy blanket on a chilly evening? It's not just a fantasy. The key is understanding your own love language and that of your partner. Is it words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, or physical touch? Recognize what makes you feel loved and communicate it clearly. Likewise, learn what makes your partner's heart sing. This mutual understanding is like a roadmap to each other's hearts. Start by having an open conversation about your love languages. It's like discovering a secret code to unlocking a treasure trove of happiness in your relationship. Let this be the compass that guides your journey to a dream relationship. 3. Relationship 101. Starting strong. Starting a new relationship or hitting the reset button on an existing one? Here's your go-to starter kit. Communication is the foundation. It's not just about talking, but really hearing each other. Set aside time for undistracted conversations. Share your day, your dreams, your worries. Next, sprinkle in a generous dose of respect. Treat your partner's opinions and feelings like a rare manuscript, with care and reverence. And let's not forget about fun. Plan dates that bring out your inner child. Be it a goofy board game night or a spontaneous dance in the living room. These moments of shared laughter create bonds stronger than steel. 4. A fresh perspective on love. Feel like your relationship's stuck in a rerun? Time to switch the channel to something new. Embrace the power of personal growth, together. Enroll in a class, learn a new skill, or dive into a joint project. This isn't just about picking up a new hobby, it's about growing as individuals and as a couple. As you both evolve, your relationship does too. It's like adding new colors to your love's canvas, creating a vibrant masterpiece. Start by brainstorming activities that excite both of you. Maybe it's a cooking class, a photography course, or even gardening. The joy isn't just in the activity, but in discovering new facets of each other. 5. The common pitfalls to avoid. Navigating relationships is not always sunshine and roses. Sometimes, it's navigating through a storm. The common pitfalls? Miscommunication, neglecting each other's needs, and letting resentments build up like unread emails. To steer clear, make check-ins a regular thing. Like a team debrief, discuss what's working and what's not, without pointing fingers. It's about tackling the problem, not each other. And listen, really listen, when your partner speaks. It's like having a secret decoder that reveals what they truly need. Lastly, don't let small annoyances pile up. Address them gently and promptly. Think of your relationship as a garden. Regular care keeps the weeds away and allows love to blossom in full color. 6. The mystery of lasting attraction. Ever wondered why some couples still look at each other like teenagers in love, years down the line? The secret might surprise you. It's all about creating new memories and shared experiences. It's like adding fresh chapters to your love story. So, shake things up. Plan a surprise date, explore a new city together, or even just try a new cuisine at home. These shared adventures weave new threads into the fabric of your relationship, keeping it vibrant and exciting. It's not about grand gestures. It's about those spontaneous, heartfelt moments that remind you both why you fell in love in the first place. So, go on, reignite that spark and watch your relationship glow with renewed passion. 7. The timeline to a fulfilling relationship. How long does it really take to cultivate a fulfilling relationship? It's not about a countdown, it's about consistency. Think of it as nurturing a plant. It grows stronger and more beautiful with regular care and time. Start by setting realistic expectations. Understand that deep, meaningful connections don't happen overnight. They're built on a foundation of trust, understanding, and patience. Dedicate time each day to connect with your partner, even if it's just a few minutes of undivided attention. Celebrate small victories and milestones together. Acknowledge that every relationship has its seasons, some full of bloom, others more challenging. 8. Overcoming the fear of loss in love. Facing the fear of loss in a relationship can feel like walking a tightrope. But here's a secret. It's about shifting focus from fear to appreciation. Start by expressing gratitude for the moments you share, the little things that make your relationship unique. This doesn't just bring positivity, it reinforces the value of what you have. Then, work on building a strong sense of self. Engage in activities that make you feel confident and fulfilled independently. This self-assurance acts like an anchor, keeping your relationship steady even in stormy seas. Remember, fear often stems from uncertainty, so communicate openly about your feelings and needs. This creates a safety net of understanding and trust, turning fear into a stepping stone for deeper connection. 9. The untold truth about compromise. Ever thought there's a hidden depth to your relationship you haven't explored yet? Well, you're right. It's time to unravel the untold truth about compromise. Compromise isn't about losing a part of yourself. It's about creating a harmony where both voices blend beautifully. Start by understanding each other's non-negotiables, those core values and beliefs that define you. Then, explore areas where you can flexibly find middle ground. It's like a dance where sometimes you lead, and other times you follow. Communication is key here. Discuss openly, listen empathetically, and negotiate with a heart full of love, not a mindset of winning or losing. This approach turns compromise into a bridge, connecting two individual worlds into a rich, shared life experience. 10. Crafting your ultimate relationship goal. Ready to turn your relationship into the love story of your dreams? It all starts with setting clear, inspiring goals together. Sit down with your partner and dream big. What does your ideal relationship look like? Maybe it's traveling the world together, building a cozy family home, or just growing old side by side, laughing at the same old jokes. Once you have a vision, break it down into achievable steps. Set up regular, dream dates to check in on your progress, celebrate the milestones, and keep the excitement alive. Your dream relationship isn't just a fairy tale, it's a future you can build together, one loving step at a time. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.